Well, I'll do a Harvey Spooner video. Alright? We'll do a close-up look at what she's got. She's got all the brake pieces. She's got the adjusters. It has both fenders. It has the original motor. I pumped up the tires. She rolled right out here. Seems good. It's got the original chain guard tensioner over here. Looks like it needs a washer. He made a makeshift cover for the clutch, and it's got the just the regular jack shaft one, whatever they call that. It's got both foot pegs. Both of them are good. Nothing's cracked. But the thing about these ones is they don't have that bracket in here. You see what I mean? This is a newer one, and the forks are different. This piece here is a square tube, where the one on the trike is a round one. And look at that, I only painted half of that front wheel before I gave it to him. But the light's on there, both the fenders, the seat's on there, but it is broken, the latch to it, but it's there. And the gas cap, all the wirings here. Probably not going to use that if I put another motor on this. I have one on the shelf, but we'll get it running today. It's got the kickstand, all that funny stuff. It's just missing the tank, that fake tank, and the brake lever, because the cable's here. Lights all in one piece. New tires, just like I gave them. Well, I threw some ether in her and she fired, but there seems to be a little problem with the carburetor and the engineer. I mean, the carburetor has some problems, so I'm gonna rip it out and clean it out, and I've got some problems with the spark plug. It looks pretty dirty, so we'll have to do that. So I got the motor switch done. I hooked up the brakes. That's the old motor right there, piece of junk. Well, I'm gonna rebuild it, but this is the 212cc with jack shaft. It's got, this doesn't look it, but this is a new clutch. I kept the old one on my table over there. I'll put it in the hoard. But all the chains connected, and I got a brake lever on there too. Brakes are tight as hell. Beautiful.
Well, after trying to get the carburetor working and plugs and everything else, doing everything possible, Dave switched over the engine on this to what size engine?
This is the, I believe it's the 212.
212 engine on it.
I'm not positive.
Put a new brake on it, fixed the clutch. So let's see. And it starts. Thing's got some balls to it. There's my kid over there watching Dave. I think I got you. How's it feel?
Feels good.
Feel like a rock star?
Yeah, you gotta wear the clutch. Run, get on. I didn't kill myself.
All right, boys. I want to show you how hardcore we are in sandals.
Uh-oh. This could go bad.
In sandals. Okay.
Careful.
Got my
Don't,
sugar foot going.
don't hurt yourself. I think it needs a little fucking juice. He's scared. Can't see him anymore.